Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SATA 2000A car battery jump starter. There are features include: powerful 2000A jump starter for dead batteries, deliver up to 2000A peak current to quickly start dead 12-volt vehicle batteries. Supports gasoline engines up to 8.5 L and diesel engines up to 6.5 L, with up to 30 to 60 jump starts on a single charge. Ideal for cars, SUVs, pickups, motorcycles and more. 24,000 mAh battery pack with 18-watt fast charging, built with a 24,000 mAh, 88.8 watt-hour, high-capacity lithium battery. This jump starter also works as a portable power bank for phones, tablets and other USB-powered devices. 18-watt fast charging minimizes recharge time, keeping backup power ready whenever you need it. 10 smart protections with force start mode. Heavy-duty smart jumper cables provide 10 intelligent safety protections, including spark-proof, reverse polarity, overcurrent, overload, overcharge, short circuit and overheating protection. Force start mode helps restart deeply discharged batteries below 2 volt when emergency power is needed. Premium battery cells with long standby performance, powered by premium lithium battery cells and a custom low-power PCB, the jump starter delivers stable output, excellent durability, and reliable performance. Holds its charge for 6 to 12 months on standby, so it's always ready for roadside emergencies. Rugged design for every season, the 94V0 flame retardant housing withstands daily impacts while operating in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Compact enough for a glove box or trunk, it's an essential emergency tool for commuting, road trips, camping and outdoor travel. Complete emergency kit with easy operation. Simply connect the smart jumper cables, attach them to your vehicle battery and start your engine. The package includes the jump starter, heavy-duty smart clamps and charging cable, providing a complete emergency power solution for cars, SUVs, and trucks. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.